Bro.
Actually, it's not that bad.
A little bit quick at the end. Careful. Pavement, Nossa Senora.
Sorry.
Where are you drifting off to, by the way? Keep going, don't stop. Where are you drifting off to?
So I was overthinking
You're gonna do it again.
in my head again. Hold on.
The question is, what are you thinking about as you're driving?
I'm thinking about what if I fail? I think 10 hours would be enough because we've got like 10 hours left.
You might need a bit more.
Okay. Sorry.
Are you?
Oh, no.
Stop.
No, I know.
You say
Accelerator.
sorry and you try to accelerate straight away.
Accelerator, sorry.
Okay? This is your number one priority. What do you want to call this thing that keeps happening here?
Going too close to it.
I would call it crash.
Okay.
Okay?
Going too close.
Yeah, just give yourself some breathing space. Literally breathing space. And stop stabbing that accelerator pedal. Get away from it. Use the brake. Yeah? I hope you heard that, and I hope you take it on board, because I'm sure in 5 minutes we're going to have the exact same thing happen again, aren't we?
I'm hoping not this time. I do a bit more smoothly going back home than to the driving centre. We'll wait and see.
Let's see.
Wait and see.
Okay, try that. Any reason for it? Steering?
No.
Just go straight. You can drive on the circle. It's okay. Please don't stop. Please don't.
No. She's going now.
It's not a crossing. You're not checking the traffic behind you.
She's old.
Why are we going to hit the pole?
Wait. There you go.
We hit the
We're gonna
next
hit the
pole?
pole again.
Yeah. There you go. That's much better. How does it feel?
Yeah.
It feels the air? Okay, how does the air feel? Describe the air.
Yeah.
Why are you stopping? If you joined us this far, comment why are you stopping. At the second traffic light, turning right.
I think I'm on the wrong lane. I'm wrong lane, aren't I?
Have a look at the road markings, just look for some right arrows. You can use any lane that has a right arrow. You see the right arrow in the lorry?
So there. So no one let me cut in.
Yeah, we try to position as early as possible.
No. Can I cut in? It's this one. I'm going this one. Just
Nice mirror checks, by the way. Well done. That was good. Very good. So these 3 lanes, lorry, van, BMW. 1, 2, 3. All turn right. You see this? We're in the middle one.
Yeah.
There's no lines to show you the middle lane in the crossroads. It's blank. Imagine you're in the middle lane and keep the middle lane. It'd be easier if we were in the left lane, because then we could just keep the outside and just go to the pavement side on the opposite. But now we're in the middle, you're in a sandwich. Okay? Watch the road ahead, do your best. Good. The other learners put themselves in the middle lane. Blue car there behind. There you go. You can see the middle lane on the other side. Good. Aim for the middle lane. Fantastic. That's you. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. That's tricky. Very good.
Better this time.
Yeah, that's not easy. It's got a name, that crossroads. Yeah, well done. Be careful. Yeah, that's a good idea as well. obstructing the right lane slightly. There's a vehicle just behind us on the right.
I'm going to change into the right lane.
If you did, then...
No, we don't need to be going to the left.
If you did, though, you'd have to do your mirrors and signals. Okay?
Yeah.
Like you just did now. Excellent. Trying to keep the speed going. Keep the speed going. So if you're going, we'll slow down then. But if you're going, keep the speed going. Keep the speed. Yeah, that's it. Just flowing. And then you're looking for the gaps. Okay. What we don't want to do.
That was big enough. I just measured it. It was big enough. Sorry.
Good blind spot check as well.
Yeah, I had to turn back for that one.
So we're holding up the traffic a little bit behind us. So you could either change lanes like this guy, which is a very good idea.
Get in a bus stop lane to go towards the left.
Yes. Yeah? Or it's not a bus lane. It's just a bus stop. Right. So always drive over yellow. Yeah. Always drive over yellow. Bro.
Sorry about that.
There's no one behind. Big smile on your face. Careful. Pavement, Nossa Senora.
Sorry.
Where are you drifting off to, by the way? Keep going, don't stop. Where are you drifting off to?
So I was overthinking
You're gonna do it again.
In my head again. Hold on. The
question is, what are you thinking about as you're driving?
I'm thinking about what if I fail? That's how I'm feeling. If I fail, fail. If I don't, I don't.
That's all right. As long as you've got enough money to keep booking tests, time.
No, I don't. Money. I've had a lot of driving lessons.
How many hours of driving lessons do you reckon you've had in total?
About 45.
45.
Do you count racing the motorways?
Sorry, racing on the motorways? Mm. I wouldn't count that as a driving lesson, no.
No. Well, I don't know how much, to be honest with you. Yeah. Doing
it again. It's called shaving. Do you remember you said that?
Sorry. Right. Sorry. I'm a bit shaky.
Turning left, please. Can you try to check your mirrors when we signal? What 2 mirrors would we check?
Wait, where am I going? Left. That way blocked, isn't it? Go around the back. Mind my language, sorry. Yeah, I'm just a little bit shaky. A little bit rough on edges, I'm not gonna lie to you about that one.
Okay.
Takes a little bit longer. Do you think 10 hours would be enough? Because we've got like 10 hours left.
You might need a bit more.
Okay. Alright, would I have failed that badly?
Yeah. Just push the power
You
button.
would have failed me. Alright. So I need to go a little bit more slower. I need to watch my speed. And these 2 parts here, when I come too close, I need to be a little bit less rough around the edges and more easy with it.
Yeah.
What else do I do wrong? They'll do better at the roundabouts. Even the mini ones.
What's happening at the roundabouts is you're stopping for traffic on the left. So you're stopping for vehicles on the left. Is that correct? Who has priority when we come to the roundabout?
Me, I guess. It depends on ongoing and what they're doing. And if I've...
So 45 hours of lessons. Has a driving instructor, because we've literally kind of just met, to be honest.
Yes, because I was with other people too.
Has a driving instructor ever taught you who to give priority to at a roundabout?
No.
Okay.
No, you
when you
haven't.
did your theory test, there would have been questions on who has priority at a roundabout. Most people do forget the theory
Ongoing,
test.
correct? Ongoing have priority.
So this is you, car 1. There's a car on your right. I'm going to just call it car 2. Over here, car 3. So remember your car 1. Okay, I'm just going to show everyone at home. So what number car goes first? 1, you. 2, the car on your right. Or 3, the car on the right of number 2.
So either mean number 1 and 3 will go, or number 2 will go first.
Okay, so
it depends on which direction it's going first.
Got to choose one. It doesn't matter what direction they're going. Just say they're all going to go on the roundabout. They're all going to drive out onto the actual circle. So he's going to drive out. She's going to drive out. They are going to drive out. Who goes first?
Number 1.
Number 1 would be incorrect.
Number 2 then.
Number 2 would be incorrect.
Wait, what? Number 3?
Correct.
If number 3 is going first, I have to come. No, because it could be going anywhere. Okay, no, yeah.
So the main question is, who has priority?
So it'd be 3.
Good. Why though?
Then 2 and then me.
Why does 2 correct? Why does 2 have to wait for 3? We agree. 2, you told me 3 goes, then 2 goes, then 1 goes. Yeah. So 3 goes first. 2 waits for 3.
Because the second one's got to think what he's doing.
Good. And what
and
side
then the first
is...
one's got to think about what the second one's
Very
doing.
good.
So you've got to watch these 2 pass.
Excellent.
And then you can go.
And what side are they on? So
they're on the right.
Yeah.
On the right side.
Excellent.
Anything on your right has priority.
Fantastic.
And anything on your left don't.
There you go.
All right. Okay.
So that's what's happening at the roundabouts.
Perfect.
Cool
Sprucing
beans.
me up and roundabouts.
All right. I shall see you next time.